Hey guys, we're at Dollarama. I usually shop for house cleaning tools and supplies from here just because it's a lot cheaper than other places. Hey guys, these are all the new additions that I got myself from Amazon. Okay, so here is everything that I got so far. I just got a bunch of new alcohol markers. These are from Ohuhu. I want to pick up on coloring just because I think it's very therapeutic. Like I want to do a little fun activity but not read, or I don't want to game. Plus, whenever we want to do something fun on stream, this is gonna be very entertaining. Moving on, I just got a bunch of new pens. So these are black gel pens and these are just white gel pens. These are for when I want to add highlights. And then just underneath those two boxes I have this binder that I got for all of my stickers. I got two different types of journals. So the first one is a weekly planner. I've been considering buying the Hobonichi, but I don't think I'm quite there yet. I don't think I want to do that big of an investment. I'm just gonna try out the weekly planner and see if I like it. So I just got one off of Amazon and I'm gonna play around with it, see how I feel about it. And if I do like it, then I think next year I'm gonna get the Hobonichi, inshallah. Then I got this different notebook here, and this is gonna be my book journal. It looks so pretty with the tree on it. A paper clip, I think it's called, I'm not sure, just to hold the journal paper so that I can easily write on it. Got two different types of stickers, which I thought were very cute. And I think I have one more sticker bundle coming in, but yeah, these look extremely cute and they're gonna be a little fun addition to my journal pages. And then I just got these monthly tabs for coloring. I just got these two books. I wanted to get the Cocoa ones, but I thought I could start with these just because I don't really know how to color yet. So it's gonna be a learning curve for me. So I thought I would start with these two. But they just have really cute pages, and I'm gonna pick one page at a time and go through it, and hopefully I'm gonna learn how to properly color. Look at how cute this kitten is. Anyway, so that's my haul of everything that I got. I'm just looking forward to playing around with everything. I've always had this, not obsession, but I've always liked stationery. I've always had a bunch of stickers that unfortunately I have never used and always hoarded. I'm not sure why, but after reaching this age, I'm like, if I have something that I love, I'm just gonna use it and treasure it in a different way other than hoarding it and keeping it safe just in case and then never using it. So that's everything that I got. I'm really happy. Hey guys, so this is super random, but I have YouTube on and then I decided to start color coordinating all of my alcohol pencils. I'm organizing them by color family, so I'm doing reds, yellows, greens, blues, violets, etc. And yeah, this is what it looks like so far.